Here comes a short introduction to the user interface. The left side of the window is more or less fixed and the right side is user configurable. On the left side we have the engine speed, we have some information about the status. Now it's phased, that means the 4-stroke engine. It finds the TDC and he can apply the phasing for gas exchange and a top DDC position. We have a statistic buffer. We see the load on the CPU and the OBI hardware. So this is a common value, 30, maybe 40. And we can define some recordings. I will introduce that later in a separate video. And we can start a TDC determination, and we have a small window for some messages. On the right side, this is the standard default view. You can switch on, switch off the signals individual. If you have some problems with the CPS signal, the crankshaft position sensor signal, maybe it's a good idea to switch here to the time-based view and try to figure out if the cylinders are in the correct firing order connected to this OBI. Maybe sometimes you mixed two cables. And you can also have a raw view here. So you see this is the voltage signal. So we come here with an offset of -8 volt from the charge amplifiers. Okay, let's go back to angle-based view. Yeah, if you want to see it in the overlapping mode, you can do that. Yeah, you can switch here between raw and physical units. You can stop the view, restart, and for sure you can also zoom in, zoom out if you are interested in here the noise from the inlet valve closing. You can zoom in. If you don't want to see it any longer, you can switch back to the zoom out view. On the right side you can configure several tabs. At the moment 3 tabs are pre-configured. So let's start with a demo tab. We want to add a new tab, call it demo. And here you can add some simple views. For example, the bar indicator. Let's connect it, right mouse click on the widget, and let's connect it to the PMax results. You can click here on the title bar and you can drag and drop it to the final position. Let's add the next one, maybe the 50% mass fraction burned. Move it to the same position, and so forth. Let's try another one. Let's try the bar indicator. Let's connect it to the IMAP, maybe only to the high pressure IMAP. If you want to see more, you can change the settings here. For example, I don't know, up to 20 bar. And you can also select some statistics. Okay, let's move it on the right side here. Okay. Now we try the cycle graph. This is a chart for displaying indication results over the cycle number. Let's select on the right side here with the right mouse click, for example, the Pmax, and move it to a position. If you're not happy with the size, you can unlock it, change the size, and lock it again. And finally, we want to add the XY chart. Let's move it a little bit up. Maybe this position. Let's unlock and fix the size a little bit. Okay. Click here on the first column to define the x-axis. We want to see the 50% mass fraction burned. This is a common chart in the development. And here on the empty second column, this is the Y column, let's select the IMAP. Right mouse click, resize IMAP.